The United States, a land built on immigration, finds itself grappling with the complexities of its own legacy. The tragic death of Laken Riley, a young American student at the hands of an undocumented migrant, has ignited a firestorm of debate, culminating in the controversial Laken Riley Act. This legislation, born from grief and fueled by political maneuvering, seeks to overhaul the nation's immigration enforcement system. Its proponents argue for stricter measures to protect American citizens, while critics decry its potential to erode fundamental rights and inflict lasting damage on the very fabric of American society. This act, named after the victim, aims to deter illegal immigration and punish those who violate the law. However, it has also exposed deep divisions within the American public. The act's passage through the House of Representatives, followed by its recent success in a key Senate vote, reveals the complex interplay between public sentiment, political opportunism, and the human cost of a broken immigration system. As the nation awaits the act's likely enactment, its implications for the future of immigration policy remain uncertain and deeply unsettling. The Laken Riley Act, if signed into law, would usher in significant changes to the U.S. immigration landscape. Its provisions target both undocumented migrants and the institutions tasked with overseeing their cases. One of the most contentious aspects is the mandate for mandatory detention of undocumented individuals charged with certain crimes, including theft, burglary, and assault on law enforcement officers. This provision, while seemingly straightforward, raises concerns about due process and the potential for discriminatory enforcement. Furthermore, the act empowers state attorneys general to take legal action against the federal government, potentially blocking visas for citizens of entire countries deemed recalcitrant in accepting deported nationals. This unprecedented shift in power dynamics could have far-reaching consequences for U.S. foreign relations and international cooperation. The act's impact extends to the judiciary as well, transferring the authority to adjudicate visa suspension cases from the Supreme Court to local district courts. This move, while touted as a means to streamline the process, has drawn criticism for potentially overburdening lower courts and introducing inconsistencies in legal interpretations. While the Laken Riley Act focuses primarily on undocumented migrants, its ripple effects are felt far beyond this immediate group. International students, a vital source of intellectual capital and cultural exchange, find themselves grappling with heightened anxiety and uncertainty. The act's potential to limit visas from recalcitrant countries, including major sources of international students like India and China, has sent shockwaves through the higher education community. Experts warn that such restrictions could have a chilling effect on international student enrollment, jeopardizing the United States' reputation as a global leader in education and innovation. The economic consequences could be equally severe, as international students contribute billions of dollars annually to the U.S. economy. The act's passage has ignited a fierce debate about its potential to undermine the very principles of diversity and global engagement that have long been hallmarks of the American higher education system. Despite the Laken Riley Act's seemingly inevitable path towards enactment, a glimmer of hope remains. Legal experts anticipate swift challenges to the act's constitutionality, particularly its provisions granting sweeping powers to state attorneys general and potentially violating the rights of undocumented individuals. Miriam Feldblum, CEO of the President's Alliance on Higher Education and Immigration, while acknowledging the act's potential to disrupt the lives of international students, urges calm and emphasizes the importance of due process. While the Laken Riley Act raises serious concerns, it is crucial to remember that it will likely face significant legal challenges, Feldblum states. We must not give in to panic, but instead focus on ensuring that the rights of all individuals are protected. Her sentiment is echoed by organizations like the American Immigration Lawyers Association, AILA, which has voiced strong opposition to the act, citing its potential to erode due process, exacerbate existing backlogs in the immigration court system, and undermine the role of immigration judges. As the nation braces for the Laken-Riley Act's implementation, the battle lines have been drawn, setting the stage for a protracted legal and societal struggle over the future of immigration in America.